Hi guys, so I just did a tutorial on how I did this makeup look, and believe me, I am very sick and I couldn't even make choices on how to make myself look better. Oh my goodness. You're in for a wild ride when you watch this video, and you're about to see what I looked like before I got ready, because I feel like I look like a normal person now, but before I didn't even look like a human being. So if I seem like disoriented in the video, it's because I am. Okay, ow. Okay, just get on. Let's just go. Let's just watch it. Hi, welcome back to my face. I'm going to show you how I make my face look a bit better. What's this? It's fine. Everything is fine. Look, I look so hydrated when I'm like this far away. So I take this ColourPop brow gel and, ooh, focus on me, okay. And I just kind of like brush it into my eyebrows. If you want like a full on like hardcore eyebrow tutorial, I can do that too. But right now, this is just an everyday, like, I don't even know if I'm going places. I'm using soft black. So, after the eyebrows, I don't really feel like putting foundation on my face. Let's hold off the foundation for a bit, because I think I just want my skincare stuff to like really sink into my face more. And I feel okay if I don't wear foundation. Like, I know I have this, I know I have like a lot, like a whole party. You don't have to, like, you shouldn't have to worry about that right now. Unless I'm gonna hate this video and I'm not gonna want to watch it because my face looks so bad. Things to decide. No, I'll do eyes first. I need to learn how to love myself. You know what? That's what you deserve. You deserve to love yourself. It's 2019. We all have to love ourselves. Let's cut out of this speech because I don't know what's going on. Like a yellow color correcting concealer, but it was too light for my skin, so I just use it on my eyes as like a nice base for my eyes, and so it's kind of like a creamy, yeah, and it holds product really well on it. My sister got me this beautiful Becca palette for Christmas. Oh my god, guys. This stuff, it's amazing, and it's such a good, like, it's the colors that I like. I like using nude colors on my eyes. I haven't been going too crazy lately just because, I don't know what happened. This shade right here, kind of like a light shade as my base. The thing I like to do with my eyes is kind of like just try to contour my eyes. So now I'm gonna take this brush and go in to this shade over here, like kind of like a little bit darker than the first one, and I kind of just want to like put it like on the outside corner like that and kind of blend it so that it looks more like it's supposed to be there. So just kind of like pack it in, and then you can kind of like wiggle it around, and then, you know, you just want to create things that look like they're meant to be there even if they're not. But anyway, if you feel like it looks weird and like there's like a hard edge, you can take like a fluffy brush and just kind of like blend it out. And I'm just gonna kind of like pop it in to the very outer edge and kind of like bring it into the crease. You see that? You see that? My eyes just look really flat to my face, so when I do this, it's kind of giving me a little bit more dimension. This shade right here. Totally use your finger too. Yeah, I'm gonna apply this with my finger first and kind of give that like little swipe effect. Does this even make me look better? I don't even know. So at this point, I guess my lashes are pretty long, but I don't know, there's something about false lashes that just make me feel so much better. Like, I feel like after a while my lashes will just kind of like flatten down and like not look like I have any eyelashes at all. So I'll just put like false lashes on them anyway. Now I have my wet beauty blender and I'm going to take this Fenty foundation. I already sprayed this Smashbox primer water on my face. So I'm going to just straight up just like put this on my face. Ah! I know this might look too light for me, but this foundation oxidizes and it will match my color. Don't worry, I was color matched at Sephora, so we don't have to worry about that. But I like this foundation because I am pretty oily and this foundation just like stays like very dry. So it gives me that like perfect balance of like what I need to like just make my skin look better. And I'm not gonna wear any concealer with this because I think this is fine. Take this Tarte setting powder. You don't really need a lot of setting powder with this foundation because it'll just dry down. Get and put it in the areas that I get like oily or just like straight up weird. So I'll put it like in this area just so that I know that this will stay very matte. I'm going to get my little contour. Ah! I don't know why I just did that. Well, this is like bronzer actually, but I kind of just like treat it the same way and just kind of like now I have this blush from Too Faced. Every time I use it, it just turns into a little character in there. I don't know. And I just kind of put that like down here, like over here. It just looks so sweet now that I have blush on. And since I'm sick, I'm gonna put some blush on my nose because it just makes sense. That's what I look like underneath all this. Makes your lips look a little like blended out. Palette again in the dark brown and just kind of put that down here. And then I could put some mascara on the bottom part. Okay, now, what can I do to improve myself? Ew, I don't know. I just feel like I just look bad today. I look absolutely haunting right now. Oh my god. I look like the ghost that you're gonna run into in your dreams. I was depending on these eyelashes to save me, but I don't know if they are saving me. I don't know what's going on and I need to blow my nose again and again and again. Is that fine? Is that fine? I don't know. I feel like my eyes look bigger than they usually do, so I'm kind of like confused. I'm gonna put my highlighter on. So I have the Amrezy. Girl, where you at? I just got her for Christmas. Thank you, Mom. God bless. I never thought I would have this because this is so, like, I am such a drugstore product girl. So, and I don't, you know, why I spend so much money on luxury makeup when you couldn't, when the same thing is like good enough. But girl, I really wanted this one and I got her now. So look at that. Oh. Okay, are you ready? Oh my goodness. Oh, she's glowing now. This is what is saving me. This right here, this is what's saving my life. Hahaha. Yes! Oh my god. My nose highlight totally looks like it's like split in two right now just because of my lighting source. I'm just putting her everywhere she wants to go. Tell me when. Okay. I look kind of insane right now. I look kind of insane. I think it's because I'm sick and my judgment just like isn't good because of the cough syrup. But you know what? I'm gonna go full out. Everyone just thinks I'm home in bed, Like, I'm on my winter break right now, and like my mom is at work, my siblings are at school, my dad's at work too, and everyone, the last time they saw me, I was just like sick in bed. Like, I went to bed at around like 8 p.m. last night because I was dying. I took NyQuil and I was absolutely not alive. My mom texted me this morning. She's like, are you feeling better? And I'm like, oh yeah, I feel a lot better. Like, my head feels more clear. And she was like, oh good, I was worried. I'm like, girl, you don't have to be worried now, Mom. I am okay, or am I? So, I don't know what lip to wear with this, but let me find one. Now I'm going to use this Kokie Cosmetics lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner right now. Laura bag thing, and her name is Ludwig. So I'm gonna put her on. Put Ludwig on blast. Okay, so this is what I look like now. I look very highlighted up. Like, I have I have a window right here and I have a window right here, so it's like I have like both light sources, so I feel like I look like I'm like face-tuned. You know, I don't even have Facetune, so I don't know what that's like. But anyway, okay. Maybe I should put some earrings on to make me look like I'm a person, and maybe I will put my hair down. So let's see what I can do. I'm not ready to be a human being right now. I don't know how to style my hair ever. I never know how. So if you'd like to give me some tips on how to do that, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks. But yeah, that is the little tutorial that I did just now. You just watched it. So thanks for watching it. Thank you for exiting your world in order to slip into my world for a bit and see what I'm doing here on this side of the universe. Have a great rest of your day or rest of your night. I sound like Manny MUA because that's his outro, right? Okay. I think I look good, right? Now I look okay. I look, like, right here, I look so weird because I have the, like, I look like I'm like James Charles, it was like super edited. I don't even have Facetune. I don't really know like how to do that. Like, I think I downloaded it for a bit, but I realized that you had to pay for like everything, so then I just like deleted it because I'm like, what's the point? Anyway, okay. Okay, bye.